for Jeff, not his real name. He was feeling down, really down. It's coming to the end of the year, and he realised he still hadn't made those changes that were so important to him at the beginning of the year. He said he just kept slipping back into those old habits of behaviour, and he just could not see a way forward. His wish was to put the past behind him once and for all. And so we rearranged his timeline. I had him create a compelling future, one where he could see himself moving forward with enthusiasm, with motivation towards those outcomes, those goals, those things that were important to him. He found himself feeling motivated, feeling confident about his goals for the first time in years. Now, the fact that you're here, you're listening, means that you're ready to put the past in the past so that you can visualize a compelling future, so that you can create these images inside your mind, ones that are taking you in a direction that you want to go, where you can feel motivated, where you're ready for the new year with renewed enthusiasm. Now, I'm Angela Farlam, and I am a hypnotist, I'm a coach and a trainer, and I'm here to share with you an opportunity. It's an opportunity to join this 1-hour online group workshop. It's based on proven techniques and principles to help silence that noise, that noisy chatter inside your mind, creating space for something new, a new thought, an image, showing you the next step towards a compelling future. So if this is you, don't waste time. Book your space now. The first 3 attendees to book now will receive a bonus personal MP3 recording. I'll record for you personally. That's aimed at your goals and your outcomes. So be quick. There's also an early bird discount. So those that book before the 1st of December get a $10, it's Australian dollars, by the way, discount. But you need to remember to apply the code Christmas. Some people forgot last year. So remember at checkout, apply the code Christmas. So when does it take place? Okay, the event takes place here in Queensland, in Brisbane, on the 7th of December at 6 p.m. So it's Brisbane time. If you're in New South Wales, if you're in Victoria, it's 7 p.m. If you're in the UK, it's 8 o'clock in the morning. So it's an early start to your day. You can be going off to work or doing whatever you want to do with renewed enthusiasm. Unfortunately, if you're in New York, unless you up through the night for some reason, it's 3 a.m. But, you know, if you book your space and you can't attend live, you'll still receive the recording, which you can watch later, as well as the added MP3 hypnosis recording. So you've got nothing to lose. So be the first, book now, receive your bonus MP3, personalized recording. So I look forward to seeing you 7th of December. If I don't see you, Merry Christmas and all the best wishes for the coming year. I'm Angela Farlam, NLP, trainer, coach and therapist.